Now, the 5G use cases are broadly divided into three categories. The first one is the enhanced mobile broadband. The enhanced mobile broadband is used to provide high data rates to the 5G mobile devices. And these data rates are in the order of hundreds of megabits per second, and in some cases they can go up to gigabytes of second. And then you have the massive machine type communication, which is especially useful in the Internet of Things scenario, in which you have a large number of sensors that are connected to the internet through the 5G network. And these sensors have low data rate, and the primary requirement in this scenario is high connection density. You can have up to 1 million connected devices per kilometer square area. Now, one application of the massive machine type communication is the smart city, in which the devices in a city are connected to the internet through the 5G, and these devices are being monitored using the internet. And then you have the ultra reliable and low latency communication. For example, in the use case where you have a self-driving car, the self-driving car also needs to communicate with the neighboring automobiles. And for this communication, as it is a very critical communication, you need an ultra reliable but low delay or low latency link between these cars. Now, using a combination of these use cases, you can have many different applications. For example, in the case of the application of the augmented reality, you not only need the higher data rate, but you also need an ultra reliable and low latency link between the augmented reality devices. That is why the augmented reality is a combination of the enhanced mobile broadband and ultra reliable low latency communication use cases, and that is why it is situated in the middle of these two use cases. Similarly, in the application of the industrial automation, the devices that are used for the industrial automation, they need to communicate using the ultra reliable and low latency link. And we also need a higher data rate in this case as compared to the self-driving car application. That is why the industrial automation application or industrial automation use case is located at this point, and here we can see it is more near to the enhanced mobile broadband as compared to the self-driving car.